Whew, Tony, it's hot out here.
Once again. Let's go from 60 to 90.
Okay, we're working on the garden today. As you can see behind us, we have some nice fencing trellis work for our green beans. We're getting the garden ready. We got a few raised beds. And we just wanted to share this with you. Tony had such a brilliant idea. So I'm going to let him take it away and show you what's going to be very helpful for our garden that we're doing.
Well, we've had the compost pile going all year since last year, and we were trying to figure out how to mix the compost in with the garden. There's not enough to cover the entire garden. You just have to do it in spots. And then we've got some potting mix, and we're like, well, how can we just get all this integrated and put together? So I thought, well, you know what? We've got Old Faithful here. This is a cement mixer we bought eons ago. I mean, we've had this thing for 10 plus years, and she has earned her keep from the Harbor Freight Special. So what we're doing is I'm putting a few shovel loads of compost in here. Then I dump some potting soil in here and just regular old dirt, throw it in there. We turn it on, mixes it all up, and we dump it into the wheelbarrow, and then we take it over to the raised beds and or spot, putting it right where we plant the plants. And yeah, that's what we're doing.
Look at that.